Good morning, students. I am Gurpreet Kaur, your physical education teacher. Today we will discuss next topic in planning in sports. Firstly, we have to discuss about the intramural and extramural. Meaning of intramural. Intramural competitions are conducted within the player of the same institutions. It's called intramural, and intramural activities like so many intramural activities are there. Institutions have to choose the activities according to the interest of the students, availability of the facilities, and the group as the given the groups are divided into parts like major games, minor games, rhythmic games, creative games. Major games like athletics, all games, and the minor games is the sack race and like a recreation activities are for rhythmic is the with the music you have to do this like solo dance, group dance, dumbbells exercises, lazy arm, folk dance. Creativity is drawing and painting, models making, and usually in school the students are divided into 4 or 6 equal groups or the houses depending on the school strength. Depends upon the school strength. The students of the different houses compete with each other, and the such activities provide the opportunity to all the students to display their skills also. And the next is the objectives of significance of objectives and significance of tournaments, and importance of the physical and mental, emotional, social development of the students, and the stress is the lay down this lay down the moral and the ethical values to provide the opportunity to every student to participate in games and sports all around development to enhance the introduce the sports and games. It helps in the developing the social qualities among the students to develop the quality of the leadership and fellowships. Opportunity provides opportunity to the students to participate in games and sports also, and to give the chances selecting good players to provide the fun enjoyments and recreations also. And there are so many significance are there. So in intramural every each and every students take part in sports and games. So and the introduce the various games, student physical education student teachers to introduce the various games and attract the children to the participate in these games. These qualities can be developed through the participating in the intramural activities also, and it helps to the developing the leadership qualities among the students. Those who are the initiate the qualities of the leaderships, and the students develop the qualities of the fellowship also, and the students will get experience to organize the games and the sports. uh, uh, it helps to the finding out the talented sports persons due to the participations of the all the students. Whole school will participate, so it's easy to find out the talented sports persons. And the students for fun enjoyment and recreation which helps to the refreshing them also. Objectives are there, objective and significance are same things. I explained all these things. And next is the activities of intramural competition. Major, minor, creative and comeback activities are there. I already discussed at previous. Major games like all the games, minor games, kho tag games, roller skating, sack race, recreation activities. Creative activities are the models making, combating with the boxing, judo, taekwondo, karate, etc. And next we can meaning in meanings in extramural. Extramural means it's the between the institution of it means the activities are those activities which are performed outside the wall of an institutions or outside the wall of the schools. In intramural activities the students of the other school can participate in the sports related activities but play with the other schools. And these are also called we can inter-school competition, interstate, national competition sectors. And intra means they are derived from the words, Latin words extra and mural. Extra means the outside and the mural means the wall. Mural means the wall means between the institutions, outside the wall of the school institution. And next is the object significance and objectives of the extramural competitions to school to show their capabilities, interactive with the peoples, develop the social qualities, provides the opportunity, appropriate knowledge of the sports techniques, enchant the participation in sports for making and the implementing the programs of the physical education more effectively. So, students and school to provide the opportunity to the schools to show their the sports capability, which will then channel the images of that the institutions also, and they adopt the social qualities like the brotherhoods, leadership, self discipline, etc., and the values of some values different players, different games to represent the school. They feel the confidence, the values of the corporations, friendships, and the sportsmanships and the unity with the other teams the member are to develop. And there are the new rules and regulation of the games and sports. They come to know about the new rules and regulations also through to the extramural competitions. Many schools which do not take part in the such competitions are motivated and consequences. Such schools tends to the participate in the extramural competitions also. And specific programs are there. There are the area of the sports is very vast. In the it includes a no so many programs like the competitions of the different games and sports at the different levels such as the district, national, international level, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, sectors. These programs are organized for a specific purpose, like for example, awareness among the people about the health, awareness about the environmentals, national unity. More and more peoples of any age category can take part in the programs like such programs like Sports Day. Sports Day is an eagerly awaited event in the schools, and the Sports Day should the participated by everyone, and the all students should have an opportunity to play as a team representing the other class or school. Mostly, a lot of schools celebrate the Sports Day in the month of October and November also, and it's a main point is there कि school organize sports on 29th August because of the India celebrate in National Sports Day every year on the 29th August. Every year 29th August is a national sports day because this day is celebrated to the honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. He was the great personality, he was the greatest hockey player. On this day, President of the India gives the sports awards such as the Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards, and the Jeev Gandhi Khel Ratan Award to present the sports persons or coaches who have contributed to the growth of the sports also. And the sports day make the school life lively, interesting, enjoyable, and memorable. Also through the sports day we develop some quality social values in the students like the cooperations, discipline, friendships, team spirits, etc. And next is the health run. Health runs in India is organized by the many states to the make people's health consecutions like uh, for example, 1st December is a World AIDS Day, so we have to organize the rally. This kind of the programs are organized by the authority for the charity also, and these runs gives the knowledge to the people about the AIDS symptoms, causes, and how to take the preventive measures also. And the next is the run for fun. These kind of runs are organized by the various organizations for the people. All ages run for fun can be organized by the non-governmental organizations, so education institutions, sports federations, etc. The main purpose of these types of run that they are arranged just for the fun. Just for the fun these activities are organized, and they create the habits in the children and students to run and make good habits to running and walking for the sake of their good health. So run for the fun is the good for health because the running decrease the chances for the health failures also, keep the blood pressure normal, improve the skin tones, etc. And it's just to everyone to the one should run for the fun healthy long livings also. A sports environment can be created in the institution by the organizing run for fun. This is also. And next is run for unity. The main purpose of the program is the national unity. Run for the unity is organized by the different nations also. It's their central government, state governments, sports federations and institutional sectors, they all are organized these types of the programs. uh, Unity is also very necessary in sports and games also. If there is unity and coordination in the teams, it will surely win the competitions. And a nations can only make progress if it's the people are united at all the levels, like a cities, states and national levels are national levels. And next, it's developed to the feeling of the participation in the children and the students, that they will be belongs to one nation also. And next is the run for the specific causes. They feel the more concerned for them and the people, like the pollutions, traffic problems, save earth, water, etc. And these rules should be well planned by the institutions. And if the some organization want to the organize run for fun causes of the save water on earth, female ferticides, so many causes there. After finish of this, the competition, students given to the one some refreshments for the motivations, given to the t-shirts, caps, etc. And on the other hand, different social agencies and government also organize such kind of programs for collecting the charity and the relief funds also. And this is a topic. Thank you and have a nice day.